So we got 1.x knowledge, but we have to upgrade that knowledge to what? 2.x. Okay, we have facility to check the logger level. We can choose different appenders, right? We have file appender, we have different layouts, guys. Simple layout we have seen, HTML layout we have seen yesterday, and yesterday we covered console appender and file appender. Yes, my dear? How to append log messages to database software? We have a JDBC appender. How many times you will ask Babu? Yesterday I said we have a JDBC appender, Bhagyasri madam. If you want, write to the table, but you have to take the support of JDBC appender. But writing to database, possible, but not industry standard. Why? You will fill up messages in database. It's really meaningless, right? File is manageable, but writing to database table column values is quite complex and what? A lengthy process and not an industry standard also. So shall we see more options, guys? Okay, the one I want to use is a rolling file appender. Simple wording is, we'll keep one max size for a file, guys. We keep one maximum size for the file. Come on. We keep one maximum file size, 10 MB, 20 MB, something like that. 10 MB, 20 MB, something like that we keep, guys. Come on. Okay. We keep some maximum file size. We keep some what? Maximum file size. Once that file size is filled up, one more backup file will be created or not there. New file is created, existing file become backup file. One more time filled up, one more new file will be created, existing file becomes what? Backup file. Like this we can create multiple things or not, guys. What is that? Rolling file appender. What appender? Rolling file appender. Got it, guys? Okay, let's see. File, where is this? Switch workspace 915 or 7000? 701. What is there, guys? 701. Close all editors, guys. Close all editors. That's it. Followed by that, what is there? This is the yeah. Okay. Paint here. File open. Class content. Where is this? Tools FS. Where is this, guys? 701. slf4j. Session-2, guys. Yeah. What is that? Rolling file appender. What is the work style of rolling file appender? Check it out. We'll take one max size 5 KB. Actually, it will be in MBs, guys. But I cannot wait MB data to fill up. That's why I take what? KBs. Right? Okay. And I'm introducing one new layout called pattern layout. Pattern layout means nothing is fixed, guys. Okay. Otherwise, you can work with XML layout also. Before that, let me show what? XML layout. Okay, we'll go for file appender and what layout, guys? XML layout. So it will write the content to XML file or not, guys? It will definitely write the content to what? XML file or not, guys? Okay, now let me write log4j properties. That's good. Okay, here is my copy this, paste it. Let's comment this one, guys. Log4j root logger debug comma or appender is this. Okay, app underscore log1 dot what XML. What is the true append mode, guys? True. What is the mode? True. What is the layout? I have to mention XML layout, my dear. XML dot XML layout. XML dot XML layout. What is the story we got, guys? XML dot XML layout. Okay, that's great. org dot apache dot log4j dot xml dot xml layout. Is that clear, guys? Come on. Yes. Append mode. Yes. Okay. Let us run the application here. Let us run the application. How to run the application, guys? Select test.java. That's good. Right click, run as. What is there? Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Here is the whole story now, my dear. Come on, everyone. Output is coming. But what is the log file that will be generated? Right click, refresh, application 1.xml. Where is this? XML editor or text editor? Text editor means, okay, that's good. Okay, let me open this one in the browser only was. XML file also can be opened in what browser? External Firefox HTML document. Firefox HTML document. Say yes. Say yes. Oh, it's updating in. If you want, you can use Chrome also, guys. It's not like that. See, it is not compatible to display, guys. Let me open using XML editor only. XML editor. See, in XML file, log messages came na, boss. Prepared statement, object created, XML is there. Array, do you think all these are possible with system.out.println? Life is definitely easy now, my dear. Come on. Super, guys. Okay. This is for log4j 1.x. But we are trying to build same application in 2.x setup also. Okay, but we are not taking much pain our to brain. Okay, we are just collecting similar entries from where, guys? We are just collecting similar entries from where? Okay. Cut. Paste. File appender and what? XML layout. So let's comment this, guys. Let's comment this. Commented. Okay, what's the right place? What's the right place to write this code, my dear? Right click. Where is this? Okay. Chat GPT. What is that? Chat GPT. It's taking time or it's not opening? Okay. Chat GPT. Here is what? Where is this, guys? What can I help with? Log4j. Log4j 2 properties. Properties with what is there? Log4j 2 properties for file appender. What appender? File appender and XML layout. file appender and XML layout. That's good. File appender. Okay. These are the property names here. Here we can add a hard code also. Okay. Appender definition. Next, what is that? Layout definition. Okay, these are properties, guys. Leave it. Okay, here is the story. Here is the story. Copy this. I hope I'm able to copy them, guys. Copy this. Here I'm able to copy them, guys. Say, what is there? Paste. Say, what is there? Paste. Root dot lager dot level. I'm taking how much? Debug, right? Oh. Okay. Tell me, what is the logical name? Logical name, as usually, I'm using what? File dot this. In our style, what is there, guys? R. And in the above also, we have used a logical name like that only, na? Yeah. Forget about all this stuff, guys. Here we write file appender and XML layer. What, guys? File appender and XML layer. This is my debug. This is my R. Okay, what is the type, guys? R dot. R is alias name, na? Okay, R file. What? R dot name. What is there? File appender. What is the name of the file, guys? What is there? Name of the file. Here I have given some variable name, guys. No problem. I will write app underscore log2 dot XML. Append mode true. What is there? Logical name R only, na? Okay. Layout type is what? Is it right? Layout time is XML layout. Layout dot compact, all these are not required, guys. Just layout. What is the layout I have taken? XML layout. Okay, that's great. Here also you observe logger dot appender dot file dot ref is there. Logger dot root logger dot appender refs dot r. Okay. Appender dot root logger dot appender ref dot r dot ref. Okay, appender ref r. 1 minute. Wait, Ranaina, wait. Yeah, appender ref dot. Come on. Appender ref dot r dot ref. R dot ref. Next, appender dot file dot type. I think here I have tried file only, boss. What is next one? File dot name, file appender. File dot name. Next one. File dot file name. Append mode, this. File dot type. Okay. Let's continue that one only. Let's continue that. Refs dot r. Here what is there? File. Okay, na? Right. Line number 15, what is there? Appender ref dot r dot ref. Ref, okay. Extra, yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, let's run this application, guys. Select test 2. Application output comes on the console. Oh, what's the error? Let's rectify the error. Class not found. XML layout. Could not find plugin. What is there? Could not find plugin. No class definition. JSON generation exception. JSON generation exception. Okay, let's try to understand where we are going wrong. Info, that's right. File.ref file appender. File.ref file appender. We're unnecessarily mixing two different things, huh? Ref is equal to, we'll go by, purely we'll go by that. File.ref, appender ref dot file.ref. Appender ref dot file.ref. File appender. Okay, that's good. Here is what? File type of file. File appender. What is there? File. File. Append mode this file. Okay. Okay, here what is there? This is not required, it seems, guys. Not required. We'll continue with this. Come on. Select test.java. Run as Java application. Okay, output is coming, but somehow these appenders are not activated. Why so? No class definition found. com.fasterxml.jackson.json generation exception. Generation could not create plugin of type layout.xml layout. Here is what XML layout. Append to this. 1 minute. If you want pretty printed in XML layout evaluation. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. Yeah, log4j takes time, guys. As I said to you, yeah, example application on what is this? Log4j. What is there? Yeah, 1.x we are ready, but I'm upgrading in front of you. So you have to support me. Log4j2. What is there? File appender and XML layout. File appender and XML layout. Okay. File appender and XML layout. Yeah. File.ref, file type file, file appender, file name, append mode is equal to what? True. Okay. Layout, XML layout. Optional, log only some package. That is optional, guys. Result is this. Result is this. It's saying plugin not ready. We have kept everything almost as it is. Debug mode, that's okay. Ref file appender, type file, name file appender, file name, append mode true. Append mode true, guys. 1 minute. We'll modify as usually from the beginning. Copy this. Log4j 2 dot properties. Log4j 2 dot properties. And a placeholder is not compulsory, guys. You can give any name. Yeah, this is as it is, na? Info. I change this one to what? Debug. Okay. File appender keep as it is. Okay. File appender. File name, you can give any file name. App underscore log2 dot XML. Append to XML layout. These are optional, guys, not an issue. Once worked out, we'll keep it. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, that's good. Problem is not that. I think some additional jars are required. take this, copy this, take this, copy this, come to this, paste the error. Paste the error. This is classic slf4j, guys. Your application missing some jars, especially Jackson core, Jackson data bind, Jackson annotation. So you need to add extra jar files or not, guys? You need to add additional jar files to work with this. Okay, copy this, guys. Come to what? Form.xml file. It is expecting extra dependencies or not, guys? Whatever dependencies that we have added, that is not enough. We need to place some extra dependencies. What dependencies? Extra dependencies. Okay. So Jackson code, guys. Jackson this. Okay. Fine. Some XML related jar files we are adding, boss. We are adding XML related jar file. Run as a Java application, guys. Run as a Java application. What's the problem? Dot was Jackson data format XML mapper. Okay, we'll sort out one by one. Wait. It is testing our patience, but we'll sort out one by one. Enter key. Okay, now even more precise, new error says one more jar, guys. What is there? Jackson data format XML. Okay, that's good. Jackson data format what? XML. Say paste. Fine. Okay, I'm dynamically changing every 1.x4 to 2.x. You have to cooperate with me. Don't say why these many errors. Okay. Now output came. No exception came. At least you will get to know how people migrate to new concepts. Okay. Now let's refresh. XML is generated or not generated? log2.xml. This is previous project is log1. This is log2. Okay. Open with what? XML editor. Okay. Open with what? XML editor. Okay, why XML is not coming, Babu? Why normal text message is coming, us? At the end, messages are coming, check it out. At the end, some XML messages are coming or not, guys? Okay. Yeah, somehow, at the end, it is binding the things, guys. Don't worry. But we are getting XML content over there or not there, guys? So we are able to see XML file over there or not there, guys? Okay, that's good. Okay, I think I have taken more precise properties, guys. Let's not take those precise properties. Maybe it's good. I will remove these two things. I removed these two things. Okay, I removed this file, guys. I removed that file. I removed that file. Select test.java. Run as Java application. Your output is coming. Say refresh. Yes. Right click. Tell me. XML editor. It's coming now greatly, boss. It's coming now greatly or not, guys? Definitely it's coming nicely or not, boy? Yeah, while doing software experiment, you should have a patience and common sense. What is that? Patience you have to build up. Anyhow, it will build up. Common sense, if you don't have, purchase from the shop. Okay. Right? Okay, boss. I think you got the idea how to work with this. But in our document, we have to add these statements or not, guys? Okay. For working with what, guys? For working with for working with, tell me, file appender and XML layout in log4j2 setup. What setup, guys? Log4j2 setup. Simply in which setup, guys? Log4j2 setup, guys. Yes, here is my log4j properties, my dear. Come on, everyone. Okay, guys. Copy these, guys. Log4j2 setup. Here, this here file is logical name or not, guys? Somewhat logical name. Logical name. Here is my appender, guys. Additional jars to add in the class path. Additional jar files to add in the class path or to add in the pom.xml file. What dot XML file? Pom.xml file. What is pom.xml, guys? Project object model, right? Yes. Okay, to add in the pom.xml file, guys. Okay, here is my, okay, all Jackson data format XML jars are there now, boss. Total 4 jar files we added extra. Copy this, come here, paste. Copy this, come here and paste. Super, guys. Yeah, what's the next one I want to build, guys? What's the next one I want to build? So let's make it 30,000 over here. Yeah, the next one I want to build over here is pattern layout. What layout, guys? Yeah, our pattern layout is very simple. Content will be your order. XML layout, fixed order. HTML layout, fixed format. But if you want, you can decide what is required, what is not required. For that one, in C language, percentile F, percentile C, percentile D, that kind of what format specifiers are there or not there? Here also, to get each content of your choice, we have format specifier. Percentile P, priority level. Percentile T, thread name. R, number of milliseconds that are elapsed from the application beginning. C for category name, class name. M for actual message. D for date. Percentile N for new line. Not only that, these many options are there. That means things will be in your control or not, guys? Definitely things will be in your control or not, guys? Okay, first we will see in 1.x, guys. Okay, let's go to this place. Log4j.properties. Okay, here I say for file appender and pattern layout. For file appender and what? Pattern layout. What layout, guys? Pattern layout. Log4j.root-logger debug comma r. Log4j.root-logger debug comma r, alias name, guys. Appender, file appender. File name is pattern layout means text content only will come. Here I am taking 3, guys. Here I am taking 3. Append mode true. Tell me. Log4j.layout. What is the layout, guys? Pattern layout. What's the package name for pattern layout? Package name for pattern layout is log4j.pattern layout. What layout? Pattern layout. Yes, boss. Tell me next one. log4j dot appender dot r dot, what is there? Conversion pattern. What pattern? Log4j dot appender dot r dot conversion pattern. What pattern, guys? Conversion pattern. Okay, here is my conversion pattern. C capital, sure. C capital layout. Okay, layout dot conversion pattern. R dot, what is there? Layout dot. Layout dot conversion pattern. Layout dot conversion pattern. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay, simply layout dot conversion pattern. Log4j dot appender dot r dot layout dot conversion pattern. Here is what? Here we have to write this one, guys. Percentile P priority level. Okay, percentile T thread name. And I am keeping hyphen symbol for decoration purpose. That is purely decoration. Percentile C class name, category name, guys. Hyphen symbol. Percentile D date name. Next, percentile M message. Next, percentile N. At what millisecond that message is R. Okay, at what millisecond that message is generated, that one, guys. Okay, then one. Percentile hyphen symbol. Percentile capital M method name. Percentile N. Percentile N means to get the new line. After getting each message, one new line is required or not required. Okay, these are what? Conversion patterns in our C language. They are there as format specifier. I think in console class has come in Java. There also we can use some format specifiers, it seems. Yeah, log4j 1.x, everything is proven. I don't think we'll get a problems here. Select test.java, come on, run as Java application. Log messages are coming, that's not an issue. Right click, refresh. Where is this? Refresh. Here is what? Refresh. App underscore log3.txt. App underscore log3.txt. Yeah, open with what, guys? Open with what, guys? Text editor. Open with what, guys? Text editor. Priority level, thread name, class name, date and time, message. Okay. 0th millisecond main method. Info 0th millisecond main method. Debug main 0th millisecond main method. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Everyone getting my point or not, guys? Okay. That's great, guys. Are you understanding? Pattern layout allows to specify order of content that we want to see in log message. Popular log4j layout is what? Pattern layout only. But we want same thing to happen in what? Log4j2. That is a challenging. Earlier I thought only log4j1, guys. But I've seen people are moving towards log4j2. I decided to dynamically upgrade in front of you. At least you will understand how things can be learned dynamically, right? Are you enjoying or should I prepare at home? Should I develop everything at home and should show here? I can do that also. There I take half an hour time for me. Okay, in front of you I'm just showing everything, right? So that you'll understand how new things can be learned and what? Used. I hope you are getting benefited with this. Yeah, if you practice, benefited. Pakistan and we don't change, sir. Okay, our tiles are always what? Bended one only, not straight ones. Yes, okay, chat GPT here. Yeah, what is there, guys? Sample log4j, log4j2, log4j2 properties. Sample log4j2 properties. Come on, guys. Sample log4j2 properties. Tell me, guys. Okay. For file appender and pattern layout. Okay, it's intelligent, Rababu. It's intelligent. Tree is not released, na? That's why it is working with what? It's called log4j, though even people sometimes say what? Log4j3 casually. Understood, guys? Yes, boss. See here they have given their own pattern, na? Percentile D, in which format you want to see? Thread name. Percentile 5 means what? How much spaces? Spaces you want to maintain. Percentile logger 36, total 36 message less. Dollar message percentile n. Log4j got his own what? Format specifier. You can use old format specifiers also, not a problem, guys. Okay, here is the story now, my dear. Okay, come to this. Forget about this. Close all editors, right? Log4j2. Here is what? Log4j2 dot properties. Say paste. Okay, here what I do is what is there? File appender and what, guys? XML layer. File appender and XML layout. Here is different one, na? Here is different one, right? Here is what? File appender and this is different, this is different. Let's comment this, guys. These two are mixed up, append true. Where is the layout? XML layout. This is the XML layout. It pasted in the middle, guys. Don't worry. It is pasted in the middle. That is done. Okay. Next, let's comment this section. Yeah. Tell me now here. What is there? File appender and pattern layout. What layout, guys? Pattern layout. Okay. Yeah, tell me debug message, all messages I want to get. File.ref log file. Array, that is simple logical name, guys. Anything you can give. That's not a problem. File type file, log file. What is there? I want to take app underscore log4.txt. Log4 only, na? Earlier XML layout, log XML we have taken, right? Log2.xml. Okay, here I will take what? Log3. Log3. Append mode true. Layout, pattern layout. Percentile D, you can mention the format. T thread, array, this is square bracket for decoration. Thread name within the brackets. Percentile 5 level. Array, how many priority levels are there? Only 5 things you want to print. That too having some five gaps. 5 letters gap, guys. Minus means 5 letters. Percentile logger 36. Okay. You print the class name and package name, but max of 36 characters you print. Message you want to print. Then what? Hyphen n, percentile n to generate the new line. If you want, you can get other things also, guys. Okay. Percentile level, logger level is coming. Logger, message. I'll check, is there any possibility of getting what? Class name. Category name, nothing but class name. Okay, that's it. Let's see, guys, this time what is the error we are going to get? Log4j 2.properties run as a Java application. Output is coming, no log messages are coming here. Output is coming, but no log messages are coming. Right click. What is there? Refresh. App underscore log.txt. See guys, everything coming in what? Pattern layout format na boss? Date and time in our format. Thread name within brackets. Priority level, logger percentile level na? That one. Class name, come on. Lager means class name is coming. Array, percentile lager is giving class name and percentile C also giving class name. Actual message, again I printed class name. Okay, why two times class name was not good. So what I do is log4j dot this. Here I'll try to print percentile M. M means what? Method name. It should give us what? Method name. App underscore log3.txt. Here is my what? Select test.java. Run as Java application. Okay. Say refresh. Done. App underscore log3.txt. Method name is coming. All these are happening from main method or not, guys? So this is what pattern layout. Things are in your control or not, guys? Things are in your control or not, guys? So pattern layout allows us to get the things in your control. Log4j. Log4j. Two-dot properties. Log4j. Two-dot properties. What is there, guys? For what layout? For what layout? What is appender? For file appender and pattern layout. For file appender and what? Pattern layout. This is the code now, my dear. No additional jars are required. Do you need any additional jars? No. No additional jars are required. Okay. Here, what are the extra format, guys? Percentile level. Gives thread priority level. Okay, next one. Percentile MSZ gives message name, log message. Gives log message. Percentile M gives method name. Gives what method name? Gives what, guys? Method name. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not? Yeah, this is what we need to focus, guys. Okay. Yes, guys. Okay, guys. Root logger, debug, log file, log file, log file. So this is about File appender and pattern layout story or not, guys? Okay, that's good. Now I want to work with the rolling file appender. I'll take some fixed size, guys. Once that file is over, okay, it has to open new file with some extra wording in the file, like _1, _2 kind of thing. Their new content should be written. Again, 30K, some so size filled up. Again, it has to open the new file. Rolling file appender. Rolling means, yeah, rolling. I think you never heard this word called rolling. A rolling contender. A rolling contender means what? Winner of one level will go to next level. So that contender is called what? Rolling contender, right? Okay. You clear this exam, you will go to next exam, their competition with other people. You clear that exam, you go to that. Means you are a rolling contender in multiple exams or not, guys? You are definitely a rolling contender in multiple exams. Okay, that's good. Let's come back. Let's come back to the story, guys. First, as usually, log4j1. Log4j1 story, guys. Close all files. Log4j.properties. Here I am looking for pattern layout, good. File appender, not file appender, daily rolling file appender. Yes, boss. Let's comment this kind of thing. From there, you capture this. Few extra properties for the file appender will become rolling file appender. Yes. Okay. Logical name, everything is good. Yeah. Debug comma R. What is the appender we are looking for, guys? Low rolling file appender, right? Rolling file appender. Okay. Append true. Immediate flush true. Max file size. This matters. And how many backup files you want to create, guys? 5 we said. Once created, what happened? We will start losing the backup files index or not, guys? We will definitely start losing the backup file what? Indexing or not, guys? Come on, my dear. Come on, everyone. For file appender and what? Pattern layout. Simply for what? File appender and pattern layout. But this time, I want to say rolling file appender. What appender? This I want to use as what? Rolling file appender, guys. Okay, rolling file appender. Log4j dot root logger debug comma R. File appender. But here what is there? Rolling file appender. What is the story, guys? Rolling file appender. Are you getting my point there or not? Super. org.apache.log4j dot rolling file appender, guys. Here is my what? App underscore log4j dot txt. Okay. After that, what next? After that, what next, guys? Log4j dot appender dot r dot append to here two extra properties we have to mention now, boss. Immediate flush, max file size, max backup index. If you want, you can write or you can collect from the internet also. It's up to you, guys. If you feel you cannot remember all these things, you can happily collect from internet as I am collecting for what? Log4j2. Yeah, append to r dot file dot. Where is this? R dot file dot immediate flush. Okay. Immediate flush. Flush to R dot file dot. Come on. Max size, max backup size. Okay, max file size. Max file size. What is there? Max file size. Next what? Max backup index. What index, guys? Max backup index. Max file size. I'm taking 10 KB. What is there? 10 KB. How many backup files you want to create? Maximum 3. How many backup files you want to layout? Regular pattern layout and format specifiers we are mentioning, guys. 10 KB means takes a lot of time to fill up, Babu, because our messages are very less, right? So let's take 5 KB so that I can complete practical bit fastly, boss. Nothing else. Right? Okay. Okay, this is 4 or 3 or 4 only, na? Third one. 4.txt. That's good. Select test.java, run as Java application. You will get the log messages, no doubt in that. Say refresh. App underscore log.txt. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, still not filled up. How much it filled up, guys? How much is filled up? Only 1 KB filled up, but total how much KB, guys? 5 KB. Okay, run 2-3 times back to back. Java application. Again Java application. Again Java application. Again Java application. Got it, guys? This is my refresh, guys. Yeah, still not completed. Huh? How much it is? 5,000. Maybe next one. Maybe next one. And done. Say refresh. Hey, it is still updating same one. Huh? Okay, well, then I have to look for 5 KB. Maybe it is expecting KB in uppercase letter. KB in uppercase. I think spell mistakes are not there, numbers. Max backup index, immediate flush. My question is, when I'm using rolling file appender, why new file is not coming? That's the question, boss. Refresh, guys, not coming. And done. Let it be. Select test.java. First time we run. Second time we run. Third time we run. Fourth time we run. Fifth time we run. Sixth time we run. Okay, I think file size might have reached, guys. Refresh. It is coming here. What's the size of the file? 5,544. Okay. Let's run one more time. Run, guys. Right click, refresh. Where are you, my dear? Where are you? It's supposed to create backup files, right? Why it is not creating backup files? Click on it. Is it coming here? It's also not coming, boss. It is also not coming. It's a 2.x or 1.x. It's a 1.x only, right? In 1.x, it actually should come, Babu. I think somewhere we have written long properties, guys. Can you analyze where we have written long properties? Anyone? Append true. Somewhere spell mistakes are happened, guys. Find out. Immediate flush. I capital, F capital. Max file size. 5 KB. Max backup index. Max backup index. Okay. Rolling file appender. Rolling file appender. ORG Apache rolling file appender. File name append true. Immediate flush. Max bal file size. Any spell mistake guys there? 5 KB. Max backup index. This layout, pattern layout, conversion pattern this. Where is missing guys? What line number? No, no. Debug, how does it will go to this one, Ra? My D fellows. Debug is in the code, na? But now it is related to property file, right? It's related to what? Property file. Use brains, Ranayana. Max file size 5 KB. Ah, oh, file is not there, Ranayana. Just a file is not there. R dot. Okay, that's the one con. R dot. Here is what? R dot. I think right. Everything is R dot now, boss. Line number. Okay, here only file, right? Remaining all place not there. Yeah, that's what I said. One or other mistake will be there, no doubt. Refresh. Okay, let it be. Select it. Run this. Select it. Run this. Select it. Run this. Select this. Run this. It's coming or not coming, guys? Yeah. I mean, output is coming, guys, but you have to see what log file is created or not. Refresh. आ गया भैया. It came or not, guys? Because we have gone wrong with keys. That's why don't type, copy paste. Yeah. Like this, you run more times, more backup files will be created. More backup files will be created or not, guys? Okay. txt.1, txt.2. App underscore log underscore txt.1, txt.2. Are you getting my point there or not there? Is that clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Super. Okay, this is, see, first one, after current file, 5 KB, 5 KB. Like this, things will go on or not there. Daily rolling file appender pattern layout. Array, somewhere there is a date pattern. If date pattern is this, every month one log file. DD is the value for the date pattern key. Every day one log file. HH, every hour one log file. MM, every minute one log file. WW, every week one log file. DD-A gives log file every midday and midnight. Gives log file every midday and what? Midnight. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Every midnight and midnight. Comfortable, guys? Okay. Log4j dot appender dot r dot layout. What layout? Pattern. This is regular na boss. Remaining all are regular. Your date pattern is one extra thing we have or not, guys. Date pattern is one extra thing we have or not, guys? Okay, that's great. Yeah, let's comment this, guys. Here is what? Tell me. Daily rolling file appender and daily rolling file appender and pattern layout. Pattern layout. Copy this, paste it. Debug comma R. What is this? Daily rolling. I am going directly. Okay, we'll see together in log4j. Both we'll see together in log4j too. Okay. Daily rolling file appender. File name. File.txt. Append true. Immediate flush true. Right? Here, what is there, guys? Here, we will not have max file size backup index kind of thing. You'll be having what? Date pattern. Check it out. What will be there? Date pattern. Here what? Right now I cannot create log file for every hour also because we cannot wait our time. So we'll go for at least a minute now. That is what I can demonstrate in the classroom. In reality, every day one log file is the most regularly used one. But here, every minute one log file is the best option to demonstrate. Yeah, here what is the value I have to give? 4 dot hyphen dot 4wise mmdd Okay, someone will take care of the date pattern. That is right. Yeah, file what is there? Hyphen data. Help me, Rabab. Hyphen dot 4wise. Actually, after file name, hyphen will come. Date will come in the form of file. Date and time will come in the file name, boss. That's the meaning of that. Hyphen, tell me. Single quote dot. Single quote dot. Come on. Single quote dot. Come on, guys. Single quote dot and 4wise. What is there? 4wise DD colonna hyphen hyphen where is this mm hyphen tell me 4wise DD hyphen come on hyphen that's it. Okay, it's a part of syntax, guys. Okay. Fine. No need of max index, nothing like that. Every day, every minute, one log file, guys. Done. What is the layout I am looking for? Pattern layout. And every minute I am looking for one log file. That's great news now, my dears. Okay. Yeah, see, every minute one log file is created or not. These are related to, I think log file.txt is taken or taken. Right. Right click. Why all this stuff? Select this, click on it. First one. Select this, click on it. Select this, click on it. Okay, let the minute complete, boss. Let the minute complete. Say refresh first. Okay, let the minute complete. What happens? Now it looks minute is very heavy. Minute is very long, right? Okay, now we got 14. After getting 14, you run the application once and you say refresh. For 13th minute, one file is created now, boss. All 13th minute log messages will be there in that file. Okay, now 14th minute is going on. 14th minute is going on. There also one more time I executed. Okay, now wait for 15th minute to come. Now wait for 15th minute to come, guys. Right click as Java application. Refresh, guys. What is there? Refresh. That's it, guys. Okay, I think 15th minute came, but for 14 minute not coming. Why? Maybe in 14 minute no execution is done, huh? But we feel we have done some execution. Why it is not coming then? Okay. But in 14 minutes some executions are done. But related to 14 minute one file should come na, boss. Or are we missing any property here? Say refresh. Yeah, now 14 minute one file has come. For 14 minute one file has come. Now it is representing 15th minute content. Once 15th minute is over, yeah, in 16th minute, 15th minute log file will come. For entire 1 minute, I have not done anything in the application. So that time no log file will be generated. For that minute, no log file will be generated. Log holiday it will take. For entire day, I have not started Tomcat server. Any log file will be generated, guys? Will not be generated. So now we need to most regularly used appender in the real time is daily rolling file appender. Not the rolling file appender or file appender. Pattern layout is popular one as a layout. As a appender, what is popular? Daily rolling file appender is the popular. Daily rolling file appender is the popular one. Remaining all are normal numbers. But the point are not, guys. I want reply from people. Okay, guys. Let's see how to do these things in what? Log4j2. Yeah, we can do it, but it takes time because new keys na boss. That's why. Because we don't have reference keys, we have to collect from internet and we have to make them permanent. Okay, this is okay, this is fine. Rolling file appender first, guys. Log4j.2, guys. File appender XML layout. File appender pattern layout. That's good. Comment it. Okay, are you enjoying the log4j tool, guys? SL4j with log4j. That is what we are doing. Chat GPT only. Yeah, tell me. Log4j 2 dot properties file for rolling file appender. What, guys? Rolling file appender and pattern layout. What layout, guys? What layout, guys? Pattern layout. That's good. Rolling file, path. Okay, file pattern in what now? What type of file pattern you want to get? If you don't mention file pattern, it will give _1 _2 kind of. Append mode true. Pattern layout. What, guys? Pattern layout. Come on, guys. Okay. Rolling policy, size based and timer based roller. Okay. A rolling policy we are deciding, boss. What is there? Okay. Rolling policy type. Time based trigger policy. Interval 1. Modulate true. type. Size based trigger policy. Okay, not timer based guys. I am looking for what? Size based. Are time based means what? Daily rolling indirectly. Size based means what? No rolling file appender. So it is having both facilities or not, guys. Okay, rolling policy, size based plus what? Time based. Okay, we'll take first size based only, then we'll go for time based. Here is the story now, boss. Copy this. Yeah. What is this, guys? For rolling file appender and pattern layout. For rolling file appender and pattern layout. I want to get all messages, that's why I'm taking debug. Okay, file name, any name I can give, guys. App underscore log4 log4.txt. Right, logs slash. Okay, no logs slash nothing, guys. Logs I underscore, what is there? Log4 dot txt percentile d. Okay, hyphen percentile I. Okay, boss. Here I will put the txt at the end. Here I put the txt at the end. I am looking for text files only. Got it? Log4j app underscore log4 dot. This one. Append mode true, guys. Append mode true. Appender setup. Okay. Next. Pattern layout. Okay. Here we are mentioning whatever we want. Rolling policy, guys. What policy? Rolling. Type policies. Type timer based policy. With this timer based we comment, guys. Size based triggering policy. And what is there? 10 MB. 10 MB is a big size, guys. 5K. We'll go for one. Policies dot type. Size based trigger policy. Let's see, guys. Success or not. Select test.java. Right click. Run as Java application. Exception has not come. That's good. Right click, refresh. App underscore log4.txt has come. But let's see whether backup files will be created or not. Okay, close everything previous one. Go to select test.java. Run once. Run twice. Run thrice. Run 4 times. What is there, guys? Run 4 times. This is what? Run 5 times. Say refresh. What is there, guys? Say refresh. Are still 5 KB is not filled up. I don't think so. Not filled up. Not filled up. Okay. 5 KB is a big number now. One more time. Okay, on safe side, we'll do one more time, guys. Right click, refresh. Yes, one index I is there, na? I for one. You don't want date kind of thing, just I you keep. Are here, my dear, why are you thinking too much, Rama? You don't want date, you want only index, guys, then you can go for what? Here's I only, you just keep app underscore log4 hyphen percentile I. That is enough. You want date also, you write that one. You run date also, you write that one. All these are part of the file name. Yes. This is what? A rolling file appender based on the size. Rolling file appender based on the size. No, so time intervals means what? Okay. So based on the size, it's working, guys. Okay, leave it. So now I'm looking for what? Daily rolling file appender effect I want to get. So nothing but don't go for what? Size based rolling, boss. Always go for what? Time based rolling. Don't go for size based rolling. Go for what? Time based rolling. So we have to think about that now, boss. Yeah. Same, actually, this only. But since we have to ask confidently, we'll ask. Log4j 2 dot properties. Properties. For what? Log4j 2 dot properties for, tell me. Huh? Okay. Daily rolling. What, guys? Daily rolling file appender. And, come on, tell me. Huh? Pattern layout. Are online students, are you there or not there? Log4j, there is no daily rolling file appender. You can achieve daily rolling using rolling file appender plus time-based triggering policy. Okay. Here is the clean and correct this one. Yes, are present. Oh, I thought daily rolling file appender is present. No. Okay, first let me paste this, guys. Okay, Mr. Devashish Jaina, what's your problem, Ra? Why are you putting rabbits as emojis? Huh? What's your problem? Okay. Rolling file appenders in log4j. What is there? Log4j2 can be implemented in two ways. Can be implemented in two ways. Are you getting my point? Can be implemented in two ways. Number one, okay, can be implemented in how many ways, guys? Two ways. What is number one, guys? Okay, size based. It is like what, guys? Log4j 1.x rolling file appender. Come on, guys. Number two, time based. It is like log4j 1.x daily rolling file append. Daily rolling file append. Okay. Go to this. Copy these, guys. Yeah, size based triggering policy. Did you notice this? Size based triggering policy. Here is my what? 5K. Size based triggering policy. Here is my what? 5K. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Yeah, let's see what next. Okay, now we have to go for time based now, boss. Here is my example is there. Okay, here is what example. What's the meaning of interval 1? What's the meaning of what? Interval 1. 1 means rolls logs every day. 1 means rolls logs what? Every day. Are you getting my point? So here 1 means every day this one. 7 means every month. Maybe what about minute? Minute I cannot show na. Okay. Minute, 1 minute. Okay. Because I can demonstrate only minute in here, right? Okay. For rolling the log file. Rolling the log file on minute basis. What basis, guys? Rolling the log file on minute basis. Interval 1 with date pattern percentile D rolls daily. Interval 1 date pattern. Oh, you have to write like this. Interval 1. Interval 1. Okay, this is the one. Every minute, for every minute, do this. For every minute, do this. What is this? Policies dot time interval 1. Okay. Next, policies dot time dot modulate 2. But here you have to mention HHMM. Here MM, here 1. Every 1 minute, one log file will come or not, guys? Every 1 minute, one log file will come or not, guys? Okay. That's great. Okay, first go to the top. Go to the top here. Layout pattern, time based. Here, I don't need everything, guys. I need this. Daily rolling this one. Time based triggering, guys. Fine, my dear. Wait a minute. Okay. This is a 2. This is paste. Here you comment, guys. Copy this, guys. Where is this? For rolling file appender and pattern layout. This is for what? Daily rolling file appender and pattern layout. Okay, here, what is the one I want to specify? HH colon MM colon HH colon MM. And hyphen MM, boss. Okay, HH colon MM colon SS. Not correct. Go to the bottom. BD hyphen HHMM. DD hyphen HH hyphen only na MM. Pattern layout, okay, not this one, Rava. Here wrong, na. Here we just want this. Here already there. 4 wise MMDD HHMM, right? Here hyphen, okay, hyphen. So HHMM, every minute one log file will come. Okay, here time based and 1. That means here MM is there, means every minute one log file. Modulate 2. I think all set. But this time, no size based, guys. We have to go for what? We have to go for time based. Here 1 is there, here is there. So every minute one log file will come or not, guys? Here 1 is there, here DD only I kept up to DD. Every day one log file will come or. Here 1 is there, here I kept, guys. Every hour one log file will come or not, guys? Yeah, they simplified it. Instead of giving two appenders, one appender, two values. One is size based, one is this. 1 minute. I want to change log file name also to 5. Why to work with regular name? Okay, we'll go for new name. I think it should work, guys. Close all editors. That's good. Select test. That's good. What is there? Java application. Right now we are 35th minute. We are in what? 35th minute. Let's see. Refresh, guys. What is there? Refresh. App underscore log file. Basic file has come. Basic file name has come. Select test. Click on it. Wait for the 35th minute to complete. Wait for the 35th minute to complete, guys. Okay. Select test, guys. Run as Java. This is done, guys. Okay. Say refresh. Okay, see, guys. 35th, for 35th minute, one log file is generated. Come on, guys. Smiling, what is this? Feeling happy? How we are playing with log files? Come on, boss. Show some excitement at least. I am excited to show all these things. But in your body and there is no excitement at all. There, only for war you will excite, Okay. Yeah, after some time here also one log file will come, na? For 36 minutes also one log file will come. Say refresh. Okay. Let it be, it comes, guys. Meanwhile, can we paste the content? Yeah, what is this? Log4j2 log4j2 dot properties for what is this? Daily rolling file appender and daily rolling file appender and what layout? Pattern layout. What layout, guys? Pattern layout. Okay, that's great. Did I copy paste content, guys? Log4j.2 properties. That's good. Yeah. For daily rolling file appender. Here, separate class is not there. Time based and size based. That really matters for us. Yes. Say paste. So maximum thing we converted into what? Log4j2, right? Okay. Yeah, when we meet tomorrow, we will conclude this and we'll get into a new tool called Sonar Cube. What is the tool name? Sonar Cube. Let me upload this, guys. Okay. Seven a.m. Where is this, guys? Where is this? SBMS 530? 7 p.m. What is this? Okay. Maven, Jira, slf4j, file upload. Before uploading, let me save this. Yeah. Class content, tools CFS 701 slf4j. This one. Replace the exist. Thank you.